5 ways improving your problem-solving skills will benefit you. How can improving your problem-solving skills benefit you inside or outside the classroom? Welcome to our Kitchen to Classroom series, where we will look at 5 topics in which the kitchen inspires education. This video will focus on the importance of problem-solving skills when it comes to learning in the years of middle school education and beyond. In this video, we answer this question by presenting 5 reasons why improving your problem-solving skills benefits your work ethic. The 5 reasons are to build confidence in approaching problems, critical thinking skills, strategies to thinking, organizational skills, time management skills, and communication skills. The connection between work ethic and problem-solving skills. What is work ethic? It is a set of beliefs a person has on the importance of doing work and their determination to work hard. Often, if people find the work hard, they will feel like it can't be done. This is where our problem-solving skills can help. It can turn "I can't" into "I can" get work done. How to problem solve from kitchen to classroom. Problem solving in the kitchen can mean anything from replacing missing ingredients, changing the recipe to meet dietary needs, or making improvements to a dish that takes it from a great dish to a wow dish that is the talk of the kitchen table for years to come. In school and in life, individuals will see that improving their problem-solving skills helps with organizing and understanding the material needed to get assignments or projects done on time. So we will keep those in mind as we go through the rest of this video. Strengthening your problem-solving skills. There is a 3-step approach you can take to help with problem-solving skills, inside and outside the classroom. 1. Recognize the details of the problem. In recognizing the problem, we should determine which of the 5 W's, who, what, when, where, and why, and how, are impacted. Number 2, know what you are looking for. In short, we are looking for the most effective and time-saving approach to finding the answers to the problem. And number 3, use the best way to get to the solution. Using the most effective and time-saving approach is the best way to get to the solution, and that means we have an organized, well-thought-out, and well-communicated approach to handling the problem. Benefits to improving your problem-solving skills. We now look at the 5 benefits to improving your problem-solving skills when it comes to learning and beyond. Number 1, builds confidence. In improving your problem-solving skills, you also build your confidence in being able to handle problems yourself or in helping others. Number 2, strengthens critical thinking skills. With problem solving, it's important to learn to ask the questions that will help you understand what you are looking for in the shortest time possible. Number 3, helps build organizational skills. Organizing our time is time well spent. This means we plan our time so that we don't waste any of it. Number 4, helps improve our time management skills. Using our time wisely can help to reduce problems or avoid them altogether. Number 5, helps enhance communication skills. When we gain confidence in our problem-solving skills, we can learn to communicate the answers we find that helped us to help others solve their problems. Final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful for building good problem-solving skills that will help you with your educational goals in learning for years to come. Join us today. Sign up to join our email list and get your free copy of our Recipes for Learning guide. Share your thoughts. Leave us a comment below to let us know your thoughts on our ideas on the importance of building your problem-solving skills in education. For more educational videos from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning, please like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. Check out our other videos in our Kitchen to Classroom series where we look at each individual skill in greater detail. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.